Welcome to Tech AI. In today's video, we're diving into multiple video editing skills, including skin tone editing, creating video behind the text, and creating text crawling text animation. We'll start by making skin tone edits to make your videos look vibrant and professional. Then, we'll explore how to create a video behind the text and use special techniques to enhance your video's look. Finally, we'll show you how to create crawling text animation to make your videos even more amazing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to enhance your videos with these simple techniques. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these tips will help you create stunning content. So, let's start by looking at this video to see the power of editing. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Skin tone editing. First, open Capcut. Then start a new project. You'll see this interface. In this interface, you need to import the video. Click on the Import button, select your video files, and double-click on them. After importing the video, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Double-click on this video track to select it. Then go to the Editing panel and click on the Retouch tab. You'll see this interface. In this tab, you have a Retouch option. Click on this tab to check it. You will see the Smooth tab in this interface. The Smooth option in the Retouch tab of Capcut helps make your video look better by smoothing your skin and reducing blemishes. Increasing it will make your skin look smoother and more flawless in the video. I set it to 100%. Next, you have a Smile Lines tab. The Smile Lines tab works to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles around your mouth, making your skin look smoother and more youthful. I set it to 42%. Then you have the Dark Circles tab. The Dark Circles tab in the Retouch section of Capcut is used to reduce or remove dark circles under the eyes. When you adjust this feature, it helps lighten the dark areas, making your eyes look brighter and more refreshed. I set it to 42%. Next, you have the Brighten slider. The Brighten tab in Capcut helps to adjust the brightness of your video. I keep it at 97%. Then you have the White Teeth slider available in this tab. Using this tab, you can adjust the color of your teeth in the video. After adjusting these settings, scroll down and click on Auto Reshape. In this tab, you can adjust the shape according to your preference. The first slider is Slim. By increasing the slimness of your video, you can adjust the shape. In this case, I'll not change it. Next, you have a Chin Length slider. By using this slider, you can increase or decrease the chin length. I set it to 8%. In this tab, we also have a Shorten slider. By using this slider, you can shorten your face size. After that, you have a Makeup tab available. In this tab, you can add any makeup effect to create more cinematic videos. Here you can select any category of filters. By clicking on any effect, you can apply it to your video. For example, I select this one and click on it. You will see this effect added to my video. Next, you have a Body tab available. This tab allows you to change the body settings according to your preference. It includes settings for legs, body, waist, and head, allowing you to smooth and brighten these areas. You can use these settings according to your needs. In this case, I'll not use these options. Then go to the Effects tab located on the top left side of the screen. Click on Body Effects. Then click again on Body Effects to see multiple effects. Here you can select any effect for your video. For example, I select this one and click on it to download the effect. After downloading the effect, drag and drop it onto the video track on the timeline. You will see this effect added to your video. Now let's move on to the second part of this video, creating video behind the text. So, now we will create a video behind the text. First, you need to go to the Stock Media tab. Then I'll select this white background and drag and drop it onto the timeline. Then go to the Text tab. Select this default text. Then drag and drop it onto the timeline. Then go to the Editing panel. Change the text to your own text. Go to the Colors tab and change the text color from white to black. Then go to the Font option. Change the font default to Arial Black. Then increase the text scale above 35%. Go to the timeline and adjust the background according to your text track. Then select these tabs. Right-click on this and select Create Compound Clip. Then move this compound clip to the B-roll track. Then go to the Import tab. Click on Stock Media. I'll drag and drop this video to the A-roll track onto the timeline. Then select the B-roll track. Go to the Editing panel. Click on the Video tab. Turn on the keyframe onto the Transform option. Move the playhead above 2 seconds. Then go to the Blend mode in the Editing panel. Convert it to the default to brighten. Then go to the Transform option. Increase the scale above 500%. Then go to the timeline. Trim the video to the second keyframe. Then go to the Editing panel. Click on the Animation tab. Click on Out. Then in this tab, you can select any animation. I select this one and click on it. After that, you can see the final output of this video. Now let's move to the third video part. Create crawling text animation. First, you need to import your video into Capcut. Click on this Import button. Then select your video files. Once after imported the video in Capcut, drag and drop this video onto the timeline. Go to the Stock Media tab. Then select this black background and drag and drop it onto the B-roll track. Then go to the Editing panel. Decrease the scale. Click here. Then you'll see this interface. Then decrease the height above 16%. Set the height to 83%. Then go to the Text tab. Here, select this default text. Then drag and drop it onto the C-roll track. Then increase the text track duration according to the black background track. Then go to the Editing panel. Paste your own text here. Then change the text scale above 5%. Then go to the timeline. Select the text and background layer. Then right-click on it. Click on Create Compound Clip. Go to the Media Player and move this text layer to the bottom of the screen. Then go to the Editing panel. Click on the Video tab. Then again click here. After that, change the scale width to 199%. Then go to the Media Player. Move this text layer to the right side. Then go to the Transformation option in the Editing panel. Then turn on the keyframe to this position. Then go to the timeline. Move the playhead to the text layer ending frame. Then go to the Media Player and turn this text layer to the left side. After that, you can see the final output of this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with any questions, suggestions, or video requests. If you want to stay connected, follow me on social media platforms for more tips, behind-the-scenes content, and updates. Check out my other videos for more awesome tutorials and tips. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again, and take care.